another Epicflows Production.
People, what's happening, man? You don't know your boy Stickman attack. And guess who is back in the news again? The man who say every girl did want to walk off of him before every girl did want to walk off of him. And Stickman don't know if money them want to walk off of him for, but it appears they want to walk off of him. Well, it's the Gully Bop. He's back in the news again. Looking fresh, famous, and even better than how Ninja Man is looking. And Stickman want to know who I gone. Cause same time as Gully Bop pop up in the news, then like hours after, Shana Chin is also back in the news, back with the Bop, and it's a lot of controversy. Shana Chin was missing from the last time we heard of her since she split with Gully Bop. And now, Bop is back in the spotlight and Shana Chin is also back behind Bop. So this makes Stickman get confused. Stickman want to know wagwan. Stickman wonder if I really plan this thing plan out. Cause this a move too much like a movie. Cause as 50 said make the link with Bop, Shana Chin is back. No man, something not right so. And Gully Bop can't so in love, you know, see what go on. No man, one man can't be such a pawn. So I must plan this plan. But if I plan this plan, then which part Amari land? Cause Amari over foreign and a ball. And after all the live streams, right now, our life supposed to sadder than what it was before, cause it was a sad ugly life. So Stickman wanna know wagwan. But Boppa get all the blessings. Boppa come from far. So anything happen to Bop right now, nobody know fear war if you just glad for the man. So Bop, go on, big up yourself here that Bop. Make your power moves and we wanna see you in the next season of power. Stickman wanna see you with 50 Cent act and Hollywood man say, from the gully to the money to the Hollywood. Boppa star. Oh, Boppa the man. Oh, Boppa go be next Jamaican national hero after you see and all of them gone. Oh, about the world say, everybody say Bop thing there. Oh, and Stickman talk no man walk.
Every girl want to walk off.
Look out for Gully Bop versus 50 Cent, not 20.
Yeah, we're gonna have we're having a meeting soon with G Unit. So like I said, big up to my connection them that made that possible, because you know y'all heard how Bop was talking about he wanted to link with 50, and to all those fake ass people out there who was promising him, oh, they're gonna link him with this, link him with that, and linking him with pure foolishness and waste of time events and them foolishness. I brought him there, so it's official. I told him I was gonna try to make it happen, and it happened. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited, super excited.
Every girl want to walk off of me.
Yeah, you know it's the Kid Fitty. Right now I'm just honored to be given the opportunity to play Gully Bop in the new 2017 upcoming movie. I know it's gonna be a powerful story. Yeah, so just look out for that. You know.
Every girl want to walk off of me.
And after Gully Bop broke the news and released the photos of him and 50 Cent and talking about their upcoming movie together, this is when Shana Chin and Amari started coming back into the picture.
If anybody is in touch with Gully Bop, just show Gully Bop say to get in touch with me. Because me not like wagwan, yeah, but I'm really hurting inside. Whether me want come in at the name of Amari, him ex-girlfriend, but forget about that shit.
Wow, can you spell desperate?
People are fighting up people's business and people's life. Why? Everybody want to come in a Bop life. But I don't know why.
Real.
That's how me look fresh.
Always clean to the bone. Them can't stop it and can't stand it.
Yes, so this is a good look. Cause the whole world want me and Chin to be back together, so
The girl is king, you know?
yeah.
They say you go just test some waters and forward back.
Yeah. Water the 2 people. Run. Down America like I'm in Ronald Reagan. I believe out America like Vietnam. Yo.
Damn, Gully Bop and Chin are back together again. No, I ain't saying she a gold digger.
Chin, use padlock and padlock him already. Me lick down your heart. Me say don't put your heart hand on him. I may show you know something, you know, me not care what cops them want call, you know. Me say this stinking girl, don't put your hand on him. Your hand where you use angle the dead, don't take your hand and ever lick him again. Not even for fun or joke, it's my you up, bitch.
Gully Bop, what's your secret? Now we know these girls are not the most beautiful girls, but you are coming from a far place and this should be applauded. So congrats and keep it up.
Gully Bop, please, I'm asking you to help me. Last night, Destiny reached out to you, and you say that you're gonna block your heart. How can you block your heart at a time like this when we really need you?
Yo, Stickman wanna know what that thingy? Amari, you're not shame, man. You used to broadcast everything. I know everything just come collapse for you. Stickman wanna know what go on, how you feel. But people, on a big man level, Stickman want to know say this is the reason why I don't see people relationship and love it, you know. Keep on opinion them to herself. She and Bop are big people and them know what them a do. She know what she a do even more. Every money 50 cent give Bop, she just a go take it and then she cut again. Amari, now you know what it a go on. Bully Bop only that test the waters. But he realize him can't swim. So I'm gone back to Chin, which is the paddle boat. But on a big man level, even though I look like Chin have some hidden agendas, she did good. When she did with Bop, Bop did good. You see me? Bop did well taken care of. Bop never broke. Bop did look rich. You see me? Bop did look like things are good. But when the man get to the Mari, the man look worse than a madman. The man look like the fan of a madman. The man he look like him look up to a madman and him a try be a madman. But the best about life are when him did with China Chin still. So stay back with Chin even though you decide up and we are going to see what in the future. Oh, when Stickman talk, no man walk.
When Stickman talk,
no man walk.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radical epic.